Just south of Atlanta is one of the biggest car events in the entire country of the United States, and that is Import Alliance. My first time I went to Import Alliance, it was 2014. I drove 9 hours and I wanted to see if this event everybody was talking about was truly worth it. Fast forward 4 years later, and it is now the primetime event where I get to meet you guys. This year was my first time ever being a vendor booth due to my new detail product line of Patterson Car Care. I had no idea what to expect, and I actually wanted to see if anybody actually gave a crap about me starting a new business. So I came with a good amount of supply, with high hopes, and also with the mindset that I got to meet all of you. This year though, I decided to film it from a different perspective. Typically, I do this beautiful glamour shot video synchronized to one of my favorite songs of the month, but this year, I wanted you to see from my perspective what Import Alliance is like. It is absolute chaos. And by chaos, I mean wonderful chaos where I get to meet literally thousands of you to the point where stories are shared and voices are gone. Good morning and welcome to Import Alliance 2018. I don't have a crazy glamour shot video this year because I look like this. We're here, it's like 6 in the morning.
They're past the front.
How many people do you think I met yesterday?
It was crazy. It was awesome that we sold out all the product, and there was lines all the way down the aisle trying to talk to you. No one wanted to talk to us, but it was fun to sell stuff.
James moved the Mustang 4 times because a domestic wasn't allowed near the showcase. It wasn't even in the showcase, but it wasn't allowed near it either. So they made it move 4 times. So it was a bummer we couldn't get these cars closer to each other, but that's just how it worked. But we sold out all of the Patterson Car Care product, which I was super proud of. And then other than that, there was drifting, there was craziness, but I'm gonna just walk around and show you some of the cars without any people around. It's the best thing to do right now. It's funny because James drove the Mustang down, I drove the 240 down, and I was like, oh my God, for the first time ever, pretty much, I'm gonna have both cars here parked near each other. Like last year, we had the Mustang here thinking the 240 wasn't going to make it. Our entire plan of bringing both cars kind of backfired because since one's domestic, we weren't allowed to park it near the 240. It's in the middle of nowhere. So when people came to the booth yesterday, we had to literally be like, no, it's here. A lot of people are like, where's the Mustang? I'm disappointed that it's not here. And I had to keep breaking it to them that they had to go on a mile-long walk.
Go take a trek to go find the sacred Mustang.
A couple rules about IA if you've never been here before. 1, get here before the sun is even up, literally, and then you will get in. There's so many people that have a bad experience here because they show up late and they sit in line for literally 6 hours and it's not fun anymore. And then there's a car meet outside of the car meet involuntarily. Make sure to get like the best dinner ever after a day of Import Alliance. We went to Logan's Roadhouse yesterday and we had 18 people with us. It was insane.
We actually had 2 extra chairs.
Yeah, it looked like so shout out to like Calvin Valley for coming with us. He drove all the way from Rochester, so you should definitely follow him in his 240. It's insane. Saturday, I didn't get a chance to film at all. Focused on talking to you guys about the product and also just meeting you. With that, I moved on to Sunday where things were a little bit slower paced. So yesterday, I hung out at the booth all day from about 5 a.m. to 3:30, and I look like crap, and it's because I'm so tired, and I've already fallen asleep twice today on this cold, rainy day. And I actually just been chilling in this Evo. This is Brianna's Evo. It's James's girlfriend's Evo, or Jasmine James's girlfriend's Evo. And I was like, you know what? Before I go to my booth today, I should probably just like rest mentally, just so I'm like mentally there to meet you guys. Cause like whenever I do a big event like this, I want to make sure that I'm my best. And I don't like Zombie David So I've just been taking naps in this super tinted Evo. But yeah, there's times at big events like this where I do have to take like a step back and take a break, get some food. I haven't eaten yet today either. I know it sounds ridiculous, like, because I'm meeting everybody and it's my favorite part of the day, but it's also the most exhausting part of the day where I get to thank everybody, and I want to make sure that everybody gets the proper thanks instead of me just saying hi there, how's it going? And I just want to make sure that everybody gets the proper thank you rather than me just saying thanks as an autopilot or a robot. I want to make sure I actually thank you. I want to make sure that I actually really want to show you that I mean it. But yeah, that's my long little rant about me running a booth. And thank you to everybody who got product yesterday. Like, it blew me away of the hospitality and people giving us a chance. And this isn't me trying to shove some kind of product line in your face. It's more me saying, like, the fact that you gave us a chance and you didn't have to, and almost everybody said because it actually just supported me, like, it made me emotional. And it was just a really incredible experience. And coming to an event as a vendor where I actually have a purpose, where I'm not just filming and I'm not just shaking hands, you know, I actually can contribute to the event and stuff like that. It was just a really good feeling. People seemed to love Blue Jay-Z, and people seemed very interested in everything that I was doing. It also showed that you guys were still excited to see my videos in the future, and you always asked, when's the next video? What are you gonna do next? When's the next car review? And also a bunch of people offering. Import Alliance is actually one of the biggest places that I get a lot of other gigs for this YouTube channel, and it always has been that way. That's what makes Import Alliance so vital to what I do. In fact, that is why my voice right now sounds like a raspy old man. While Saturday was completely clear and hot, Sunday was very rainy and cold.
Warm car.
James, who owns Jasmine, just looks so enthusiastic right now
I'm
about
comfy.
rainy IA.
It's so nice and warm.
I'm hibernating.
Part 2 on our tour.
Spooled Up TV actually let me drive his missile car. I had never drifted in my entire life at any event, but I was in such a good mood just from his hospitality that I went out there and tried it anyway.
David's in that car. He's drifting, can't even talk. Drifting for the first time.
Result was I had one solid good drift, but other than that, I spun out every single time.
Good, you're filming.
We're like a proud family supporting us.
That's exactly what I was about to say. It's like, hi, Mom.
Our family.
Good goal, son. Get the close-ups.
It's because of Patterson Car Care Conditioner.
The wax.
And wax.
Wow.
High-end wax.
That's why you're so beautiful.
That's why you're so beautiful.
A lot of the more experienced drifters came up to me and said, don't worry about it, David. It's your first time, and it's also extremely slippery out there. I was very thankful for Jesse to let me drive it around. Even though I didn't do that great, I had an amazing time going out there. I'm with
Mikey. Drift
Mikey.
Junk.
Yeah.
Mikey,
I was trying to just introduce yourself, but you have this awesome 1JZ Starion, excuse me, whatever.
No, people will yell at you on the internet.
You're gonna get yelled at.
Okay, so 1320 video, these two guys playing around.
I blew up.
I drove home.
He drove
Of
home.
course, and yeah, YouTube channel, obviously.
Yeah.
He's the guy who let me drift.
I have a feature on his car on mine.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, I wanted to show it off. Import Alliance 2018 was an ultimate success. It showed how supportive you guys were. I had a fantastic time looking at some amazing cars. We had Blue Jay-Z and Smurf there. Literally everything went right aside from the rain and the weather. I also want to thank James Wood for driving down Smurf. Make sure to check out James's YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching this Import Alliance video, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy. Have a fantastic day.